anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Court is calling 2025 CR 001162W and 2025 CR 001160W State versus Mark Anthony Guzman. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Phyllis Beal for the defense.
And are you Mr. Guzman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all discovery?
Yes.
And did you review it with your client?
Yes.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Guzman, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the documents entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information and Rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
In each of the cause numbers, do you understand you have a right to have a grand jury review the evidence and make a decision on whether or not to hold you over for trial? Do you understand that your attorney also has certain rights 2 days from the passage of time once the information is presented, and also 10 days from the presentation of the information to prepare for trial? Did you understand by entering into these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers? In each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Information with your attorney? Did you understand them? And counsel, do you waive the reading of the information?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state, are you proceeding on the information as presented?
Yes.
All right. And the cause numbers, you're charged with the offenses of unauthorized use of a vehicle and possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. Each of those cause numbers are state jail felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow those pleas. If for any reason the court does not follow those pleas and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights? You need to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Guzman, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications and the causes are to run concurrently. Did you understand that to be the plea in each of the cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes.
State, is that the plea?
It is.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 001160W, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No comment.
And the cause number 2025 CR 001162W, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No comment.
State, in each of those cause numbers, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
State office states exhibit.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the documents entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations?
Yes, Your
Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. In each of the cause numbers, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
And the cause number ending in 1160W. The court will sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 01162W. And there's to be no contact with Alta, ALTA Street in San Antonio, Texas. And in the cause number 2025 CR 00162W, the court will find you guilty. Court will sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money to run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 00160W. Give you credit for any time served. And there's to be no contact with Alta Street and San Antonio, Texas. And each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? You need to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. If you don't do better, you're going to find yourself living at the prison. You understand?
Yes.
All right, thank you, Phyllis, for coming back.
No problem.
The courtroom turns quiet as Judge Stephanie Boyd calls two related cases involving Mark Anthony Guzman. The charges are serious: unauthorized use of a motor vehicle and possession of a controlled substance, both state jail felonies under Texas law. From the start, the stakes are clear. The judge carefully explains the punishment range, reminding everyone that each charge carries up to 2 years in state jail and fines reaching $10,000. When asked how he pleads, Guzman responds with a no-contest plea. In Texas courts, that plea doesn't mean innocence. It means the defendant accepts conviction without disputing the facts. Judge Stephanie Boyd wastes no time. Based on the plea and the record before her, she formally finds Guzman guilty on both counts. The agreement on the table calls for 6 months in Bexar County Jail for each case, served concurrently, along with the $2,000 fine. Judge Boyd accepts the deal, but makes it clear this is not a free pass. Her tone is controlled, firm, and unmistakably serious as she pronounces the sentence under Section 12.44, ensuring jail time instead of state prison, this time. Then comes the moment that defines the hearing. Judge Stephanie Boyd issues a strict condition. Guzman is ordered to stay away from Alta Street in San Antonio. It's not just a rule, it's a line drawn in bold ink. As the sentence concludes, the judge looks directly at the defendant and delivers a warning that cuts deeper than the jail term itself. "Good luck," she says, before adding a chilling reminder. If he doesn't do better, prison is next. In just minutes, Judge Stephanie Boyd makes it clear that Texas courts have limits, and Guzman has reached his.